Welcome to the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2 in sterling gray metallic. This truck is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the ZR2, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and navigation, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, dual-zone climate control, shifters in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the truck, and the rearview mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the ZR2, starting off with your 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, black door handles, blacked out trim around the windows, blacked out mirrors with the LED, ZR2 badge on the fender, 6.2-liter badge on the hood, and around the front of the vehicle, red tow hooks, red accents in the bow tie cutout in the grille, blacked out grille with the ZR2 badge as well, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Make our way back down the side of the vehicle. This vehicle is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows, and around the back of the vehicle, side steps built into either side of the bumper. Towing package is installed. Chrome Silverado and ZR2 badge on GM's Multi-Pro tailgate. Heading back inside the ZR2, starting off with your in-seat storage. Seats are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down in the center. Rear sliding window. Bose audio throughout the back of the truck. And here in the center console, we have dual USB charging ports as well as the controls for your heated leather seats. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.